In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image upload issues in your listing editor using Chrome. If your images are not uploading properly, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check and correct, and in many cases, the issue is resolved within just a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. First, check your image files before you upload them. Make sure each image is saved as either a JPEG or a PNG file. These are the most commonly supported image formats, and using the correct file type helps the upload tool process your images properly. It's also important to confirm that your images are at least 500 by 500 pixels. If an image is too small, the system may reject it or fail to display it correctly. If needed, open your image on your computer and review its file type and dimensions before moving on. Next, clear your Chrome browser cache. This helps remove old temporary files that may be interfering with the upload engine. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. From there, click Clear Data. This step can refresh your browser and often fixes problems caused by outdated cache content. If Chrome has been holding on to old page data, clearing the cache gives the upload tool a cleaner environment to work in. After that, disable any active Chrome extensions that could be causing a conflict. This is especially important if you use tools like ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers. While these can be useful for everyday browsing, they sometimes interfere with website features, including file uploads. Open your extensions area in Chrome and temporarily turn off anything that might block page elements or background activity. Once they're disabled, go back to your listing editor. Now return to the listing editor and drag your updated image files directly into the upload box again. Re-upload the same corrected files after completing the previous checks. Dragging the files directly into the upload area helps ensure you're using the correct upload field and gives the system another chance to process them cleanly. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll give the upload process the best chance of working correctly. Take your time with each part, especially checking the image format and size, since those details often make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.